think what's amazing about an XLab Summit is getting all these great minds together and really starting to shape the future and push innovation.
It's also been really cool to see the manufacturing collaborations in action outside.
Spent 3 years with the Navy SEALs, and they would love this thing out there. So it's a great thing.
The resources that the national labs bring, the technology, the people, the innovation is really a game changer. So it's an often used word lately, but it's a game changer. It's a disruptive technology that we work on together, and it's just been a great experience.
Well, I love the XLab Summits because it's really bringing together the leadership of the Department of Energy, very committed to this, but brings all the national laboratory directors here, but the partners that are working with them to advance the core mission and also advance U.S. competitiveness and security.
Favorite thing about the show, I think, is again, it's a collection of some of the brightest minds on the planet at this, and listening to all the different segments people are pushing the envelope in the additive manufacturing sector.
It's a great opportunity for a small business to showcase our work in front of the world.